Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable screen recording with sound for an iPad or an iPhone. So first step is to go to Settings, Control Center, and add the screen recording capability. Just click Add. You're going to see it up here. Now from the Control Center, you're going to see a small new button with the screen recording logo. If you push it, it's going to count down and start recording. You can see at the top here there's a small recording icon. You can stop it. Now, for example, if you want to also be able to record the sound that you're speaking or any kind of voiceover for the app that you're talking about, you need to go to the screen recorder, hold on it, and enable the microphone, which is now on. Start recording. It will count down again, and you'll be able to record anything with sound or a voiceover. When you're done, just stop recording. Thank you, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you liked it.